Back here at Half Moon Bay. We're gonna do some more rock fishing, but this time we're gonna do something different. We're gonna do catch and cook later, but first we gotta catch a fish. So let's go catch that fish. All right, guys, I got something special for this trip. We'll make it interesting. So, what do you guys want to do for the biggest fish? Biggest fish or most fish?
Let's go. Biggest.
Yeah.
Biggest? Okay, we'll go with biggest.
All right. Biggest fish.
It says Half Moon Bay Legend right there.
There you go.
That's the one.
That's awesome.
Yeah. $10 at Amazon, man.
Oh.
There you go. Look, everybody's trying to fish harder now.
Southeast still.
No. Oh, she's using the two baits too. Cool.
He's on.
I think he's a dink. Oh, look at that. Oh, nice.
Oh, double blue, dude.
Double blue.
There you go. Here, swing it this way. Swing it this way. Swing it this way. Keep it in the water. Keep it in the water. Keep it in the water.
That's a good
Oh! You guys are killing me, man. Hey, Lowe's feeling better.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know, it was a big blue, but it wasn't as big as, you know, like a 30-inch Hatley, say.
Oh, you got a double again.
Yeah. I got it, guys. I got it.
Here, I got it. Here, I'll net it this time, dude.
There you go. Well,
There you go.
Dude, that's nice.
Woo!
They're beautiful.
That's
Beautiful.
Look at that big blue.
Hey, you want it done right.
Yeah.
Do yourself.
I don't know. The blues taste better than
Blues are good.
Blues are good.
Yeah, man. I like them.
Oh, thank you. It's like 70 degrees.
Let me get it here.
I got it.
Sure?
Yeah, I don't want my hand to get pointed in.
It doesn't feel that big. Oh wait, I don't know. Another blue.
Oh, another blue.
Nice one.
Oh, but you lost one.
Oh no! I lost a big one.
Reeling in something.
No, I did feel a bite.
Hit?
Yeah.
I'm on a big fish. Are you?
You in it?
Either that or I'm foul hooked at that. I'm reeling.
Sure? I wasn't sure before, but then you have to stare.
It's a China.
China.
Yeah, hey, he's a
Oh, you
good
got a
sized
mishit
China.
on the smell.
Yeah, and I felt that mishit earlier. That's why I dropped it back down. Maybe.
China.
Want to see another one?
Not your tramp stamps. Want some quality
We keeping
fish.
Chinas?
Yeah? Yeah, just keep them.
Yeah. You guys don't like these?
I don't, but you can keep them. You can keep it for the catch and cook.
That thing's swimming will die right there. It's 23 feet down.
23 feet down?
Yeah, that's what that symbol is for, is 23. I got a water line tracking 30 feet up from the bottom right now, that's all.
That's all fish right there? Or?
That's a fish.
Oh, okay.
Sure. And then I'm switching over, so now you can see where fish, and this is structure on the bottom.
Okay.
You see how it's jagged on the bottom?
Yeah.
That's what I'm looking for. I'm right on the edge of a reef. That reef back there would have been about 40 feet. I've cut down to about 50 feet over here, so I missed it. So, because we're more shallow now, but the drift is taking us back. Because I didn't see anything on the other side of that reef, because there's a little canyon that goes this way, right? I mean,
Yeah.
the mount structure that goes up.
See how you have it?
So what I did was I parked just on the one side, and I didn't see much, so I'm now parking us on the other side, and the drift is taking us south. So
I was taking us to the spot.
through the back the spot where that's the spot I wanted to go. But I was just watching the drift, and the drift wasn't taking us there.
Oh, okay.
So I repositioned so the drift could take us there.
Cool. Oh, looks like a keeper, dude.
Close.
Trophy winning right there. Oh, it's close.
Back it up a little bit.
Let's stretch him out.
Close.
I want to back it up a little bit.
All right. Stop.
Can you pick up the drift bag though, see?
Oh, barely.
21.
21.
Oh, 21 and a half. 3/4.
If I stretch his tail, close his tail. Oh my God.
Close his mouth, dude. Mouth's still open.
Yeah, well.
Well,
Nope.
nope.
21 and a half.
Yeah, still 21 and a half. Baby cabbie.
Baby ling
yeah,
or a baby
baby
cabby? Look at baby ling. Mama's out here somewhere.
Somebody's looking at me freaky. Somebody's looking at me freaky. No, it's a verm.
Oh, verm.
That's
Nice.
a nice verm. You got it?
Yeah. Oh, it's on the white. On the red one.
Oh, that's a good one, man.
Yeah.
It's a decent one.
What you got there? Canary?
Oh, it's a greenling. It's a female.
Oh, really?
They're good, but they're so
There
cold.
is green links here.
Do we want to keep her? Or do we let her go?
They taste, unless someone else wants them.
Because she is definitely a keeper.
Oh, yeah, that's a
And
good
that
size.
is some pretty colors right there.
Yeah.
What size does that have to be?
They gotta be 12.
That's 12.
They taste good, but they're so bony.
What is that?
Blue.
Blue?
It's
good size?
My major craft, my new cross stage. It's still a decent size.
Another brown.
There you go.
Oh, I got a verm.
Oh boy.
Yes.
The orange.
It's cannibal. What do you say? Most fish, right? For the.
What's that?
He came with the trophy. He's going home with the trophy.
I thought it was the smallest fish. That's why LaRosa keeps throwing his fish back. He wants a smaller one.
Baby ling?
Gopher.
Oh no, gopher.
Quietest big fish I've ever catch.
Well, I was talking shit earlier, so I figured I'd keep my mouth shut now.
It was working. Caught it on the blue.
Yeah, the blue's hidden. That last two of them were both on blues.
Vince.
The mint color, yeah.
Alright.
Oh, nice canary.
Canary. Nice.
Who's got the canary?
Cece's got a nice canary. Orange gold.
That's a. Wait, check the eyes. It's not yellow, right? That's not
No, you gotta look at the vermilion. If it's all red, that's a. Grip it on the lip.
Quick little check.
Lip it.
Pardon?
Lip it.
Oh.
Grab. Yeah, there you go. It'll be safer that way with the rockfish than trying to grab the body.
Okay, thank you. Small gophers. Blue.
No, it's a China.
China.
Gopher.
Gopher. On the purple.
China?
Yeah,
Gopher.
China.
Gopher.
Gopher. Yeah, it's
That's
a gopher. It's a gopher. It's not your kind though, don't worry. Shit, somebody's
Alright, I got something good. Come on, baby.
Fuck, I missed it.
You need net? Yeah.
Not sure. We'll see what it is. I'm bringing it nice and slow. Come on, be a hell of it.
Yeah, right? We could have had a fucking heli.
Oh, no.
It's a nice brown.
It's brown.
A big one.
That's a nice brown, dude.
Yeah.
Don't put it next to me because there you go.
Alright.
Beautiful.
You. Nice, dude.
That's a nice brown right there.
I'll make some good fillets right there.
Yeah, that is a nice brown right there.
Oh, he swallowed it.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Hold on. Hold on.
Oh, nice worm.
That's a bird.
Oh, woo!
Oh, dude.
Yeah.
What a boy, dude! Woo! Yeah!
Nice, dude.
What a boy! Woo!
Oh my God.
That's big.
Now we can reenact that photo, but this time actually is big. Well done.
There we
What
go.
color? God damn.
Definitely send me that
Nice.
to hook up bait, dude. Woo!
What is it? What is it?
It's a ling. It's right
Ling.
there.
I don't know. It's hard to tell.
That's why.
Oh, it's two.
Oh.
Oh, they're shorties.
Two shorties?
Is that a green?
Lings?
Is that a green ling?
Wow,
Or
look at the head shakes.
oh no, that's a ling.
It's a blue and a ling.
See, that's pretty.
On the sexy smell
Oh.
purple.
Look at that, dude. Double hookup. That's a double right there, dude. Might not be keepers, but it's a double still. What is that? Big fish?
I think so. Can't tell. It's fighting. Come on, halibut. Oh no, it's looks like a ling.
Am I doing it right or wrong?
No, you're doing it right. That's one of the things I can do.
Let me know the Hallie.
So much.
Nope,
Fish
baby ling.
Baby ling.
Set the hook like you're crabbing. Have it there with you know that bite. Don't go down as much as you want.
Oh, when I crop it, I'll go down with that. I just wait until it's tightened and then they go straight up.
Yeah, well, it's kind of like the same thing. You know, just because once you feel that tug down,
Yeah, I don't want to let it go down anymore.
yeah.
Nice.
Oh, wow. That's
Being quiet.
Car is quiet.
these poor little fish.
Start being
I don't know what it is.
Yeah, with the chicken on your hand. dude.
I'm gonna take another bite first.
Finish your chicken.
I'm close here.
I love this, dude. You're fucking unique.
Oh, fucking jelly.
Hey, drop the,
I see color.
oh yeah, that's a ling.
Oh, there's something on her. Oh, nice one. Oh, nice.
There we go.
Good. Good netting.
Atta girl! Atta girl with the chicken in her hand.
Still eating. Still eating.
Woo! I love that.
That's the thing. Women are really good at multitasking. Can't even talk and bring a fish in.
Yeah.
Caught a keeper ling while eating chicken. Oh, there you go.
What's
Right back in
next?
the water.
There's another pile right now. Huge. Get down there.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll help you.
Right, I got clean and scale it and put up
Crispy green beans, crispy chanterelles. I'm sorry, shiitakes and portobellos with crispy bits of tofu. Yummy, man.
Okay, to start this recipe, I use a box of fish and chips batter mix. I like the McCormick's brand. Tastes pretty good, but you can make your own or just use whatever. And for the main ingredient, I got a bag of flaming hot Cheetos. You can use the lime flavor. I like the original. Everybody loves hot Cheetos, but if you don't like it too hot, this is actually not too bad because once you mix the batter mix with the hot Cheetos, it kind of takes the heat down. And you want to crush it as much as you can. That way it'll mix better with the batter mix. Now before you add the water, you want to put the equal parts of Hot Cheetos and batter mix and mix it together real fine. Okay, now gradually add water to it, and while you're adding water, keep mixing it till you get to like a pancake batter mix for consistency. You want your oil at medium to medium high heats, and when you put your fish in there, you want to put it in slowly. You want it to slightly cook right before it hits the bottom of the pan, because if you put it in too fast, the batter will stick to the bottom of the pan, and you don't want that.
I didn't turn it on.
Oh, actually, it does it itself. It has like a ignition.
That one does it itself, but ours.
That is good.
Yeah, here, but before it starts getting soggy.
You know what, Rich? Honestly, bait will work. Yeah. You got, you know, I'm just curious.
Good?
Your wife was telling me about
Let's go.
Good, right?
Yeah, I'm so jealous. I would
Here,
switch
Dad.
with him in a minute.
Tokyo, huh?
Is there a plate anywhere?
Yeah, it's so good.
Yeah, is it?
It's so good. The hot Cheeto fish.
I'm not able to smoke. Would you please take them off my hands?
And
And they would just give us the permits without a problem, you know? And it wasn't a problem.
Got some carrot cake with it.
I try to experience this when I do.
Oh yeah, I gotta give the trophy to Lorenzo.
Oh, that's a rig, dude. That's big. Because I got the biggest lake. Alright? That is rig.
But I became a professional paddleboarder.
That's a legend.
His feet are all shaking like a little kid. Like,
Oh yeah.
Alright guys, just a reminder, this Saturday in Pacifica, the Fog Fest. Come join us, come hang out with us. We should have a good time.